So, hello guys. Today we have Nirav Shah in our house. He's the speaker for AWS Community. Hello, sir.
Hi, Vinit.
Sir, what was your experience in AI ML? Like, please, can you give me some career prospects for our students in artificial intelligence and machine learning?
Yeah, basically, students must have to consider that they have to have learned AI ML anyway. The reason is all the technology stack, like what kind of technologies you consider right now, either it's a blockchain or cloud or anything, even e-commerce industry. So everyone has started building some sort of for forecasting purpose or for any purpose. Everyone has started adopting AI/ML, right? So say for example, if you see e-commerce players like Magento, big commerce, right? So they are started adopting AI/ML, which helps the customer to forecast the future of e-commerce, right? What kind of product are not like out of stock? What would be the forecasting of their purchases? So that kind of capability only AI/ML can bring. Right? So previously it was not, they are not considering that kind of stuff, but nowadays because of popularity, because of platform availability, because of technology availability, because of cloud, so that kind of things are available. So everyone has started adopting that.
But with this result in mass firing of people with the help of AI, like they will be AI based only. Will it cause mass firing, recessions, or they will replace people?
No, as I also mentioned in my today's welcome speech, see, previously there was a, when tractor was innovated, right? So people was thinking, okay, tractor is there, so what farmers would do, right? So same way, computer invented, then what accounting people do.
Okay, it will just be beneficial and helpful
It's
for.
just beneficial, and again, people, all kind of students or professionals or whoever associate with technology industry, they must have to adopt this later or sooner.